Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to use a US mobile in India. To do so, you need to buy and set up an eSIM that cannot become easier with US mobile. You just need to follow the following 3 steps and you are connected to the world from India using US mobiles. To do so, you need to buy and set up an eSIM that cannot become more easier with US Mobile. You just need to follow some simple steps and you are connected to the world using US Mobile in India. Firstly, you need to go to the US Mobile website and sign up or log in into an account. Add a line and add an international line, which is India, of course. Then pay and install the eSIM and activate your plan. After installation, your device will be ready and connected with the internet. You can connect to US Mobile 24/7 chat, email and call support for any kind of help with the eSIM, which is a very important and reliable aspect when you are traveling to a foreign country like India. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.